Hi guys, welcome to Niger Tech. Well, today's tutorial is how to download videos from Facebook. You will need an application called Video Vault. If you're using iOS, you can get it on App Store, and if you're using Android, of course, it's available on Google Play. So let me show you the app. Go to my App Store and type Video Vault. That is this red one, but I have it already downloaded on my phone, so it says open. I'm going to open it now. Okay, once it's opened, please look down to the left hand side. At the edge, you will see that file icon with plus button. Just click on it and it will take you here. Click on download browser. Then at the very bottom, you can see where you can paste any URL. At the URL space area, that is where you can paste any link that you get from Facebook. But before we do that, we have to go back to our Facebook now to get a video link. So I'll open my Facebook now. So this is my Facebook video watch. Okay, now, for example, let me download this video now. To download the video, you need to go to the share button and copy the link. So the video link copied. So now I will go back to my video vault. Oh, an advertisement bumps up. Anyway, it's a free version. It's a free version, so it's okay. It's a free stuff. So now I'm back now to the video vault. At the very bottom of that URL area, you click on it and delete the previous link. Any link you see there, you just delete it and paste your copied link and click OK. Then it will now take you to your video from Facebook. Then you press the play button. It comes up, would you like to download the video? Of course. You click download. So while the video is being downloading, an advertisement bumps up. It's okay, it's a free version, so just wait for the adverts to finish. Right now, I think our video is set, so to go back now and check if it has already downloaded. So coming back here, our video has been downloaded. Okay, now to save it on your phone, you need to open the video here, click on the video, and go up to this. At the very top right, you will see the 3 dash with stars. That is a menu icon. Click on it, and this is the video, the one on the blue. In case if you have so many videos, anyone showing blue is the one that is currently playing. So click the plus button behind it to save to your camera roll. Save. So now to confirm to you guys that this video has been saved to my phone, I'll open my photos and come down. That is the video. Thank you so much, guys. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.